Dear children, today I am going to teach civics lesson first, democracy in the contemporary world. Syllabus key topic, two tales of democracy, changing map of democracy, phases in the expansion of democracy, democracy at the global level, promotion of democracy. Overview. In this chapter, we are going to know how democracy has expanded during the last 100 years to more and more countries in the world. Its expansion may be speculated from the fact that more than half of the independent countries in the world today are democracies. However, the expansion of democracy has not been smooth and straight but a Herculean task as it has experienced several ups and downs in the different countries. Instead of making shallow study of democracy in many countries, focus will be made on democracy in Chile. But towards the end of the chapter, sight will be cast at democracy or its absence in the relation among different countries, the working of some international organization shall also be examined. This makes us ask, ask a big question if we are moving towards democracy at the global level. Now, two tales of democracy. The Republic of Chile and Poland are the two countries which become democratic during the same time period. However, they both have different tales of democracy. In Chile, democracy was restored with the end of the military rule. In the Poland, trade unions fought a bring of democracy in communist state. Now, democracy in the Republic of Chile. पहले चिले कहाँ है देखें. सिचुएशन. Republic of Chile is a South American country. It occupies a long, narrow strip of land between the Andes Mountains to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. We can visualize it if we say that it resembles Kerala in our country. Salvador Allende. Salvador Allende became the president of Chile in 1970. He was the founder leader of the Socialist Party of Chile. He led the Popular Unity Coalition to victory in the presidential election and become the president. Liberty policy. After the becoming of the president, Allende, he started several policies with a view to help the poor and weaker section of society. Allende did as under: introduce reform in the educational system. Second, provided free milk to poor children and redistribution land to landless farmers. He opposed the idea of foreign companies taking away natural resources like copper from the country. Opposition. It was but natural to oppose such policies. The landlords, the rich people, and people associated with the church opposed his policies. B. His government was also opposed by some other political parties. His government was also opposed by some other political parties. Military coup of 1973. On 11 September 1973, the democratic government of Chile was overthrown by its military. This military did as under. It took over the seaport. Second, arrested the defense minister of the Chile and its commander and asked the president to resign. At first, Allende refused to resign or to leave the country, but later on realized the danger to the nation and his life. Address to the people. President Allende addressed the people on radio. He said, "Workers of my country, I have faith in Chile and its future. Other men will overcome this dark and bitter moment when treason seek to prevail. Keep in mind that such sooner than later the great avenues will again be opened through which will pass free men to construct a better society. Long live Chile, long live and the people, long live the people, long live the workers." Live long बोलते ना, बहुत दिन जीवित रहो. Long live the people, long live the workers. Since he knew that his life was at stake, he added the following words: "These are my last words, and I am certain that my sacrifice will not be in vain. First, I am certain that at the very least it will be a more lesson that will punish felony, cowardice and treason." As everyone anticipated, on the same day, he was killed in the military attack or coup. This was the sacrifice what he talked about in his last speech. Military dictatorship in Chile. General Augusto Pinochet led the coup. The United States of America was displeased with the Allende's rules and is known to have supported and funded activities that led to the coup. Pinochet became the president and ruled Chile for the next 70 years. In this way, for the government that was elected by people, the power was usurped by the military dictatorship through conspiracy and violence. Pinochet movement did as under. It tortured and killed those who supported democracy and the policies of Salvador Allende. These included the General of the Chilean Air Force, Albert Bachelet, and many other officers who refused to join the coup. Even Bachelet wife and daughters were put in prison and tortured. More than 3,000 people were killed and many more went missing. Now restoration of democracy next day.